This is the first year I've had pumpkins and they seem to be doing well. And are also up in the trees over there. There's a pumpkin, and then over here I actually have a pretty big one already. So I guess I'm doing something right. I haven't really done anything with them, but and here I have quite a bit of tomatoes. They're a little bit late, but that's okay. So for like a week and a half now I have been on vacation, which means obviously that I have been extremely busy. But I did finally have some time this week to test out the drawing tablet that I showed in the last video, and I'm really liking it, and I'm also slowly getting a hang of the short keys, which I haven't used before. And another thing that I was set on doing during my vacation was giving this old wood stove in my kitchen a little paint job. So here's a little behind the scenes. I currently have this beautiful little skylight in my living room. And the reason being that I am getting a new heating air conditioning unit installed today. And I knew that there was this beautiful old ceiling underneath, so I decided to just remove a part so I can get it put in the right spot high enough from the beginning, because I am eventually going to remove all of this newer ceiling and revealing the old ceiling and getting quite a bit more ceiling height in this room. So, and here it is installed. And then it's going out to the outside unit. And this is probably going to make this winter quite a bit more comfortable. Honestly, this living room was extremely cold last winter. And this fireplace probably needs a paint coat as well. This entire room needs a paint coat, honestly, but it's a project for a different day. And then this fireplace in the kitchen and the entire wall back there as well also needs a paint job, but I am out of white paint now, so I'll have to do it once I get some more. So if you haven't picked up on it yet in this and my last video, I am really feeling the fall vibes already. Even though it's only August, I'm just really kind of looking forward to the cozy season. And so for a couple of days now I have been craving soup, so I figured I would make some chanterelle soup, and I'm really tempted to make it on my newly updated wood stove. But even though it has been kind of rainy lately, it hasn't been very cold, which means that since it's warm outside, this baby will just push in all the smoke. So I'm not gonna light her up just yet. I'll have to wait a few more weeks probably before I can get to that level of cozy, but still a warm bowl of soup sounds really, really nice right now, so. So as you could see from the previous clip here, the horrendous blue tiles that were also on the stove continue throughout my kitchen, and the blue color is also on the walls, and I am dreaming of doing a whole kitchen renovation and switching out the blue to something green and muted. So that is definitely something to look forward to. I also want to switch out all of my countertops and paint all the cabinets and everything. So